Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn on location services for the Discord app on your PC, thanks to the new update. Let's dive right in. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open up your Start menu. From here, look for Settings and click on it. This is where we'll adjust some important settings. Next, in the Settings window, find and click on Privacy and Security. This section is crucial for adjusting how applications, including Discord, access your data. Once you're in the Privacy and Security menu, look for the Location option on the sidebar and click on it. This will take you to the location settings for your PC. Now here's the key step. You need to enable the option that says, Let apps access your location. Make sure to toggle this feature on. By doing this, you'll allow Discord and other apps to use your location services effectively, and there you have it. You've successfully turned on location services for Discord on your PC. This new update allows you to enjoy location-related features, enhancing your experience while connecting with friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.